Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that, so why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. I think that you are continuing to threat to the public, even while being in jail.
I don't
want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
All right, guys. Today we're in Judge Flesher's courtroom, where a 19-year-old defendant is facing multiple aggravated assault charges. But that's not all. While sitting in jail, he thought it'd be a brilliant idea to threaten the witnesses in his own case. Bold move? Maybe. Smart move? Definitely not. And if there's one thing Judge Flesher doesn't tolerate, it's witness intimidation. This young defendant isn't exactly helping his image either. He complains about needing his phone, not having a TV, and honestly comes off like a big baby in court. But beneath the drama, this case is a strong reminder. Witness intimidation is a serious offense that can make your legal situation way worse, especially when you're already facing major charges like assault. What do you guys think about this one? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're into real courtroom moments like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Let's dive in.
Come on, time to go play Fortnite. Let's go. Come on. Huh?
Fortnite?
Come on, man. I'm itching to
Give me
go
approach,
play.
Judge.
Whatever happened with Mr. Wiggins?
Mr. Wiggins has some bond conditions to not speak to a complaining witness in an ag assault with a deadly weapon and an ag assault family member. He then went to jail and called her twice and her mom.
I mean, what more can we do? Really?
Take the phone away.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. We'll do it now.
He also called not only under his own name, but he also called under 3 other inmates' names.
Good morning, Mr. Wiggins.
What?
How's jail?
Cool.
It's come to my attention that you are violating the conditions that we set out in this court, flaunting it, and trying to get a hold of the complaining witnesses in these cases where we've told you not to. Go ahead.
Yes, Judge. The deputy called me this morning and said that the defendant has called the complaining witness twice and the mother of the complaining witness as well. The deputy told me that while listening to these phone calls, he heard the defendant and say things such as, "This is how you take care of things," and that everybody violates their bond conditions and talks to the complainants in these cases. He also heard the defendant make statements saying that he was going to continue to violate bond, and once he gets out, he was going to hire an attorney, but he had previously learned that the defendant was indigent, and so he took this to mean that the defendant was going to commit other criminal acts to get money to hire an attorney.
Not only is this guy threatening the witnesses in his own case, but he's also out here confessing to planning future crimes. Like, how do you even manage to be this reckless? Honestly, at this point, it's hard not to call him what he is, an idiot. I'm seriously dying to see how Judge Flesher reacts once the prosecutor finishes laying it all out. You know it's not going to end well. But I want to hear from you. What do you think Judge Flesher should do while this guy waits for trial? Personally, I don't even know what more they can do besides take his phone away. But if you've got any thoughts, drop them in the comments. Alright, let's dive back in.
Can you please notify the other courts as well that are so that they know as well?
Yes, Judge. I just sent a full email to the felony prosecutor in case the deputy hadn't already alerted her. I just went ahead and did it. The deputy, again, is getting the transcripts for these calls, and that the defendant has been using 3 separate inmates' spin codes. That would be Jermaine Brown, Mark Diaz, and Dennis Compton.
Your privileges are hereby revoked. You are not allowed to use the jail phone at all from now on. Do you understand? I think that you are continuing to threat to the public even while being in jail. So your privileges to use the phones at all are hereby revoked.
Judge, I just, again.
She just told you.
Not even.
Please stop.
So
And I just want to reiterate.
Please, go ahead.
He's
Yeah.
19. You are taking away his ability to communicate with his family.
But he's
I
making
understand.
additional threats allegedly,
I
you
didn't
know?
threaten anybody.
Okay, we're going to get the records, but
Okay.
until I know that you're not a threat, I mean,
He's typing everything.
every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that. So why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out because I'm going to ask, could you mind please pulling all the records, getting all the phone calls, and we'll play them out here in court and we'll see. And if it's not, then I will gladly give you your phone privileges back. But there have deputies that have pinpointed you allegedly, you and using other people's spin numbers to make phone calls, to make continuing threats, and to further criminality if and when you get out.
Honestly, I feel bad for the defense attorney on this one. You can see she's struggling. She knows there's no real way to defend this guy intimidating a witness. But she's got to say something, right? Her best argument is basically, well, he's just 19 and he needs to talk to his family. But let's be real, that's not going to fly in court when this guy's out here threatening people, already facing aggravated assault charges, and clearly hanging around with known gang members. At 19, you're definitely old enough to know better, especially when you're already in the system. But what do you guys think? Is the defense attorney's argument valid, or should Judge Flesher lay down the hammer here? Let me know in the comments, and now, let's get back into it.
I what
Well, I don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Judge, I will also say that the defendant told the complaining witness, this is about the ag assault involving the firearm, that when she got shot, the defendant said that's what happens when you hang out with gangsters.
So pull all that stuff, you know, and all that stuff gets. So we need to figure out how, because it's a first for me as far as doing a revocation of privileges like that. As far as revoking phone privileges for inmates,
As far as I know, it has to be through the court order.
okay. I need to do whatever I can because it's apparently a problem now. So I guess I'll reach out to administration as well to figure out how, because I mean, it's a first for me.
Judge, just so we're all on the same page, Mr. Wiggins is obviously going back to the jail now. Even before that order is in place, you are instructing him now not to use the phone. So,
Oh.
so I did, dude. That's so stupid.
well, we'll get the tapes and
Get it? We'll
Okay,
see.
good. Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
It's jail.
What's the point?
Read a book.
There is no books. I read every book in there.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I can't trust you to use a phone, Mr. Wiggins. I mean, you know what's happening. I have other deputies that have alerted us to what's going on. I can't. That's it. I mean, you got to know when you're in the jail, there are eyes all over you. It's like at a casino. You literally have eyes all over you at all times. You got to know that whatever you're doing is always being looked at.
Stay in bed. That's why I wasn't threatening nobody. I didn't say
he's
anything.
typing
and
everything
then-
that you're saying.
Asking them
I
to pull it.
understand he's talking about I'm doing illegal things when I get out to hire a lawyer and all these other things. That's stupid. I never said anything about it. Anything illegal. That's just
So what do you guys think about this court case? Was Judge Flesher being too soft, or was there really nothing more he could do in this situation? Sure, taking away the phone might stop the threats for now, but does that really solve the bigger issue here? This guy clearly isn't learning from his mistakes, and honestly, it's frustrating to watch someone just keep digging themselves into a deeper and deeper hole. When you're already facing multiple serious charges and still making reckless decisions, the odds are not in your favor. And let's not forget, witness intimidation is no joke. It's a serious felony that can tack years onto your sentence. At this point, it feels like he's steering himself straight toward a life behind bars. But I want to know what you think. Do you believe there's still hope for this guy to turn things around? Or is it too late, and he's just on a fast track to prison? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree with how Judge Flesher handled it? Or would you have ruled differently? Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. I post new videos every single day, so I appreciate you being here.